In this video, I'll show you how to generate a vCenter support bundle using the vCenter Appliance Management Interface. This is my vCenter server. To access the Appliance Management Interface, I'll open a browser and enter the vCenter IP address followed by port 5480. Now, I'll log in using the root credentials. If you've forgotten your vCenter root password, make sure to watch the video linked above in the card. It covers how to reset it step by step. Once logged in, click on the Actions dropdown in the top right corner and select Create Support Bundle. In the Create Support Bundle interface, you'll see an option to select the support bundle type. You can choose to generate just logs, just core dumps, or both, depending on your troubleshooting needs. By default, all components are selected, but you can manually uncheck any components that aren't necessary for your case. Finally, add a short description for the bundle and click Save to start the process. You can monitor the progress under the Monitoring tab. Once the process is complete, a download link will appear, allowing you to retrieve the generated support bundle. And that's it. You've successfully generated a vCenter support bundle using the Appliance Management Interface. Thank you for watching.